Ode, they're telling you are an idiot. Ode. So they're telling that person that he or she is an idiot. Odene, you are idiot. So they're telling you are idiot. Whenever you hear idiot, it's not a compliment though. It's not a compliment, but an insult. Ode, idiot. Were, hi. Were, that means you're a mad person. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ẹ̀kọ́ èdè Yorùbá pẹ̀lú ìfẹ́ Olúwa. Fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti wà níbí ìtẹ́lẹ̀, ẹ ṣeun gidi gan ni tí ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa. Fún àwọn tí ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa, ẹ ṣeun gidi gan ni. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín, kò dẹ̀ sí ohun tí ẹ lè ṣe sí. Lónìí ohun tí a máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀ ní èébú ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Today's topic is common insults in Yoruba language. This insult is not for you to start insulting people. No, this one is just for you to know when people insult you, so that you will know that these people are not complimenting you, but they are insulting you. When you hear olórí ńlá, that means you have big head. They are telling you olórí ńlá, orí bó ṣe rí, olórí ńlá ni. That means they're telling you have big head. Omugoni. That means you are daft. They are telling you a daft person. Apodani. That means he's stupid. Omale. When you hear omale, that means you're a bastard. They are telling you a bastard. Omale ni jare. Omale ni. He's a bastard. Omale ni. They are telling you a bastard. If you hear omale, just know that it's not a compliment, it's an insult. Ẹranko, animal, like your animal. Ẹranko ni, your animal. Ahun ni. If you hear ahun ni, that means you are stingy. You're stingy. Coco, your hand is like this. Ahun ni. So if you hear ahun ni, that means they're telling you are stingy. You're stingy. Coco. When you are stingy, when you don't give, you are just like this. You're like this. You don't do like this. You don't give to people. You're like this. Everything like this. Is stingy. Coco. Atole nie. That means you bedwet. Atole, the one that bedwet. Elejo wewe. So when you hear elejo wewe lomo yen, she's a talkative. That child, that girl is a talkative. Elejo wewe lomo yen. Elejo wewe talkative. Elejo wewe lomo yen. That means that girl is a talkative. That child, that girl, that boy, obìnrin yen elejo wewe ni. That lady, that girl is a talkative. Oponu, that means you're mentally sick. Ọmọ yẹn ponu gan. Ọmọ yẹn ponu gan. Oponu lọmọ yẹn. Oponu ni, you're mentally sick. They're telling you are mentally sick. Ẹlẹ́dẹ̀, that's pig. They're telling you are a pig. Ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ lọmọ yẹn. She's a pig. He's a pig. That girl is a pig. Ọmọ yẹn ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ ni. Is a pig. That means they're telling you are a pig. So if you hear ẹlẹ́dẹ̀, just know it's not a compliment. It's an insult. Sugomu lọmọ yẹn. That means you're a dullard. Sugomu ni, you're a dullard. They're telling you are a dullard. Ewúrẹ́, that's saying you're a goat. Ewúrẹ́ ni, you're a goat. They're telling you you're a goat. If you hear ewúrẹ́, that means you're a goat. They're telling you you're a goat. Olórigbeske. I don't really know the meaning of olórigbeske. I shall know it's an insult. So when you hear olórigbeske, just know it's an insult. It's not a compliment at all. Olórigbeske. Please, if you know the meaning of olórigbeske, just put it in the comment section. Olórigbeske. They're just telling you that your head is somehow. If you know the meaning, just tell us in the comment section, because I don't really know. I shall know it's an insult and it's not a compliment. So if you hear olórigbeske, just know it's an insult and not a compliment. Ode. They're telling you are an idiot. Ode. So they're telling that person that he or she is an idiot. Odene, you are idiot. So they're telling you are idiot. Whenever you hear idiot, it's not a compliment though. It's not a compliment, but an insult. Ode, idiot. Amebo nie. They're telling you are a gossip. Amebo, chu. Amebo, you're a gossip. They're telling you you're a gossip. Ashewo. When you hear ashewo, you hear olosho. They are telling you, they are calling you prostitute. When you hear ashewo, you hear olosho. So that's prostitute. Dodoyo. Dodoyo. They are telling you are mentally slow. You are too slow for their liking. You get? Dodoyo near now. You are mentally slow. You're mentally slow. Dodoyo near. So they're telling you are mentally slow. Onijekuje. Onijekuje. That means you are glutton. Onijekuje. That means you are glutton. Glutton. You are glutton. Onijekuje near. So they are telling you are a glutton. They're telling you you're glutton. Glutton is onijekuje. Yeah, they're telling you your mother. Yeah, baba, your father. Baba, your father. So when you hear yeah, that's your mother. Your mother. Baba, that's your father. Were, hi. Were, that means you're a mad person. Were, that means you are mad. That person is mad. So when you hear were, that person is mad. They are telling that person that the person is mad. Aboreni, they are telling you, are you sick? Are you sick? It's like a question for you. Aboreni, show really. Is this one sick? Aboreni, show ya werini. So when you hear show ya werini, they are telling you, are you mad? They are asking you question. Are you mad? So show ya werini, they are saying, are you mad? They are asking you question. Are you mad? So it's not a compliment. It's just a question like an insult. It's an insult like a question. So when you hear, are you mad? That means show ya werini. Are you mad? Oh, lekole. That means they're telling you lack home training. Oh, lekole, you lack home training. Oh, lekole, you lack home training. Oh, nila kai. If they tell you this thing, you have to think again. Oh, nila kai. If you hear oh nila kai, that means you don't have brain. Oh, nila kai. That means you don't have brain. Oh, lokpolo. If you hear oh lokpolo, oh nila kai. That person will go and think about his life. You know, that person will go and think about his life again. Oh nila kai. Oh lokpolo. Oh lokpolo. Oh nila kai. That means you don't have brain. If you have brain, it's empty. You have empty brain. You don't have anything in your head. Your head is empty. You don't have brain. That's what they're telling you. Oh nila kai. Oh lokpolo. You don't have brain. One share. That means your village people, they are doing you. One share. That means that person is telling you your village people, they are doing you. Your village people are doing you. So one share, your village people are doing you. Oloshi, that means wretched fool. Oloshi, yeah, that means they are telling you you are a wretched fool. So it's not a compliment. Aje. So when you hear aje, that means you're a witch. They are telling you you're a witch. So if you hear aje from anywhere, it's not a compliment but an insult. Agbaya, useless elder. They're telling you you're a useless elder. Agbaya, useless elder. Agbaya ni, you're a useless elder. Useless elder agbaya. Onishekushe, immoral person. Onishekushe. Thank you very much for joining us in today's lesson, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. I love you, and there is nothing you can do about it.